Good morning from a very sunny Paignton this morning.
Here we are on an early morning walk. We're out on the beach. Oh, there's the ice cream store. And there's the Geo Park. One of the reasons we love Paignton is because it's so family friendly. It's not 8 o'clock yet and there's a family on the beach, which is great. This is where we've been coming for our morning walk each morning on lockdown, where it's peaceful and quiet. There's the pier, which is always popular with the kids. Make sure you bring your 2 peas, and the ice cream stand, which serves great local ice cream, which can be attested to by our daughter Alice. As you know, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about St Weonards. We're dog friendly and pet friendly. We're also family friendly. Unfortunately, the beach isn't open for dogs in the summer in Paignton, but in Goodwinton, which is about 10 minutes away, there's a beautiful family-friendly beach which is open all year round. There's plenty to see and do in Paignton for families, and it's a great place for getting around the rest of South Devon. It's a proper seaside holiday, which is one of the reasons we really love it. So during lockdown, we've been redecorating some of our rooms, refurbishing them, keeping ourselves busy with big jobs like painting the outside walls. We're having our floors in the breakfast room replaced soon, so we'll be ready for reopening. Like most people, we're hoping to reopen in July, but obviously it depends on government advice. And we want to make sure that we're in a position that our family and your family are safe when you come and stay with us. So we've been looking at all our procedures and points of contact where you might come into contact with other people. And we think we can do it. There'll be changes to some of our things, so check in and check out will be a bit different. And we don't think we'll be able to clean everybody's room every day, but we will make sure they're deep cleaned between rooms. The most important thing is that we've worked out how to do our breakfast. So we can serve our breakfast to you in our breakfast room, and you get the full service of our fantastic breakfast. We decided to close a couple of rooms so we can make this happen. But it does mean that everybody that does come can come and stay and get the full St Weonards experience. So we hope to see you soon, and that you'll be back in Paignton as soon as you can. Bye!